Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how you can generate invoice, free invoice. How you can send invoice to your customer via email or you download it as PDF. So here we go. Now the first thing I will do, you must have your logo and you must have your signature. So let me just look for a sample signature. So let us look for one to download. I think I am okay with this one. Okay, so that means I don't have signature to use, so if you have, you can just use it as image. So let's assume this is the signature I want to use. Now after this, you go to, let's save it. Now after that, you go to web builder 7. So with this website, it will give you invoice. You can just click on create website. Don't worry, you are not creating website, you are creating invoice. Now you can see it here. So type 1. Now what is the name of the website you want to create? This is not website, you are going to create invoice. Let me just call it sample. Then your email demosample@gmail.com. Just sample what we do. And password. Now email has been used by another. Okay, so let us create another one. Sample at gmail.com. Good. Now click on this website manager. It's from here we are going to generate invoice. And you can select, just select none or landing page, anyone. Then this one, put anything you like here, anything, you can put it there. Then you click on open manager. Now after this place, click on add-ons. Click on plus. Then search invoice. Now we have invoice and quotation generator, so which means you can generate invoice and you can generate quotation using this add-on. So click on plus. Is installed. So you can see we can create invoice and we can create a quotation here. So let me click on this one. This is the link you are going to use. So which means if you don't go to this website, if you don't go to this website manager, you can just copy this link and save it somewhere. So that's what we'll be using. So we are going to use this, open new tab and paste the link there. You can see, so this is my invoice generator, and if it is quotation you want, click here, copy it and paste it here. Sorry, copy, paste it here. Okay, so we are coming back to this one later. Now under this place we have invoice, so we have already clicked it, so we have it like this. Now off, you do want tax to be there, so you don't want tax and just off it. What about currency you want to use? Now use dollar you want to use. This dollar is already here. Discount, you want to enable discount in your invoice. Off. Your logo, let me just use this. I'll find something to use like this. Now what about the signature? I think this is the one I want to use. You can any name you want, invoice report, ID, anything you like. Now what about billing date? Maybe today. Due date, maybe tomorrow. Now after that, business name, that is sample I created that time. So any name you want to use as your business. So then just sample business name. Your address, second line of address, your phone number, your email address. Now billing to maybe your recipient. You just put the recipient, or let me just write sample business again. Now under this address, any address, no address, any address you want, you can add there. So phone number of your client, so let me just put this. Now email of your client, let's just use this with up 16. Now what are the products you want to sell, you want to generate invoice for. So let me just put Nokia, anything Nokia, quantity limit 10, the price is maybe $2,000. You can see it here. So you can add more. So Nokia, let me just put Nokia 2, and description goes here. Now after that, how many? Just 100, and this one should be maybe 5, anything. Now that subtotal, in case you want to add more, you can still add another thing here. You can add another thing here, you can see. So you remove. So we have the total here. Now extra note, maybe you can see, use this place to add some notes. So some text, maybe terms and conditions or bank details. So you can add any details you want here. So then just add more details displayed or can be placed here. Let me paste it twice. Now your invoice color, you can see we have different color you can pick from. Last stamp you want to use, maybe is original, white signature. So any name you would like, let me put this, maybe CEO. Now we have two options. You can generate the invoice and download it, or you just send it to clients directly. So let me generate it. And you see that my logo I inputted that time. So I've generated the invoice. You can see everything. The invoice report I entered that time. So these are the products, the little description I had at that time. So this is my signature, the name, CEO, another thing. So you can see it's very easy for you to generate invoice and send it to your client. So with this, this button I can download as PDF, or even I just press Ctrl S. You can see doc3. So if you want to save it, and then what if you want to send it to your clients? You click on Send Invoice. So this is what email address do you want to send this to? So let me send to this email address. What's the name of your company? So let me use a sample company. As I'm typing it, you can see it's reflecting here. What is your email address? Let me put support@outside.com.ng. Any custom thing you want to write, and if you want to receive your own copy, you can do it like this. Okay, so that means what is the email address you want to send the mail to? So you can say I'm sending to this email. So after that, you click on Send Mail. You can see your email has been sent to this email. So let me open the email address and refresh here. So it should arrive very. Now this is my email, so you can see you have received an invoice from this company. So let me click on this. Now this is email I sent, so you can check here. So your clients can download from there. So this is my email address. So I can download from here. I can put it on my drive. I can even view it from here. So it has been sent to your client. So that's how to do that. Now let's go back to quotation here. It's still the same process. Copy this, paste it on your browser. As you can see, so we have the same panel, but just that this one is now quotation instead of invoice. That time this one will be a quotation, and there you can see these details are different here. So we have different things. So but if you can undo this invoice of the thing, you'll be able to undo this quotation as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channels for more updates. Thanks for watching.